Hello. Shall we all rise for the opening of prayer by Engineer Danny Tumbok, followed by the attendance of today by Franklin Mr. Rodriguez.
Maraming balay ko na mga amahan, nalaking naman sa tagal. Daman kayong salamat sa kayo ng kami batapok aron sa buhat sa mungkin buhat sa opisina na mag-private. Natutulog ikaw mag-giya ka na mo, tanong na yun. Kaya ka na mo, salamat ang kayo, buktungan na kang mag-luwa sa amin. Yawan.
Good afternoon to all of us for the attendance, previous conference. Back Chairperson, Engineer Maya Italiano, back Vice Chairperson, Mr. Florido Pindaro, back Implementer, Engineer Walter P. Morito, back Provisional Mentor, Engineer Diplahan. Our head back PWG, Engineer Daniel Ismondo, PWG members, Engineer DPWH Zamboanga, Engineer Ebonel A. Yaki, Engineer Eduardo Aguiladores, Engineer Daniel Tumbok, and our contact member Rina A. Gamokso. Our head back secretariat, Engineer Iris A. Torino, Secretariat Member, Mr. Mark Francisco Gaulan, Mr. Mr. Cody C. Luguso, Ms. Lian Ann S. Regina, and yours truly, Mr. Francis Farwell Rodriguez. We have personnel from
Thank you, Engineer Danny Tumbok, for the short opening prayer, and Sir Esper Franklin Rodriguez for the attendance for today. The attendance for today reveals that majority of the members of the bank are present, therefore this private conference is come to order. Welcome to the DPWH Zamboanga Sibugay First District Engineering Office, Diplahan Zamboanga Sibugay, Region 9. This day is February 27, 2024, and we have a single projects to be discussed this private conference, and this is the 24JI0063 construction of flood control along Sibuguey River, Upstream, Barangay Gaulan, Zamboanga Sibugay, with an ABC of 115,800,000. The agenda for today is number one, the brief presentation or explanations of the basic contract data, including contract description, the ABC, the duration, requirements of the bidding documents, including instruction to bidders, general conditions of contracts, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities and forms, and documents to be submitted by the bidders, which is the civil works, includes technical components of the bid, and the financial components of the bid. Number two is the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification and award. Number three is the question or comments from the bidders and replies of BAC and other representatives of procuring entity. Number four is other matters. Number five is summary of proceedings, including supplemental or bid bulletins to be issued there is any. So let us go back to the first agenda, which is the brief presentation or explanation of this contract ID 24GI0063 to be discussed to us by one of the representatives from the Planning and Design Section, Engineer Lily Estimo. Sir, go ahead.
Good afternoon. For the project construction of flood control structure along Sibuguey River, upstream, Barangay Gaulan, Diplahan, Zamboanga Sibugay. This project, doon siya kasi no, doon siya from the downstream side to the existing dam and the upstream side. So with the length of 460 linear meter with a calendar days I repeat, with a length of 488 linear meter with a calendar days of 336 days. The scope of work for this project is the Part A, the facilities for engineers, composed of the facilities for engineers, the rental of service vehicle, the letter B, other general requirements, and the part D is the drainage and flood protection work. The part L-A is the earthworks, and the part LB, the bank and slope protection work. I think that's all. Okay.
Thank you, Engineer Luis Timo, for the short discussion of this project, the 24JI0063. So, any comments, clarifications, or verifications of this project? May I know if how long is the steel pipe? 12. 12. So no other comments? If there is none, we have the announcement from the procurement for the next activities after this.
Good afternoon. Our next schedule will be on March 5 for the opening of bids for asphalt overlay project.
Thank you, MS Iris Torino, for the information that we have the schedule of opening on March 5. Any other comments? If there is none, then may I hear any move for the adjournment of this private conference?
Mr. Chairman, I move for adjournment.
It has been moved and seconded that this private conference this day, February 27, 2024, in DPWH Zamboanga Sibugay, First District Engineering Office is formally closed. Thank you and good afternoon.
night.